Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. In today's video, we're going to review the portable fire pit that's perfect. Are you looking for an easy to use and portable fire pit that's perfect for outdoor camping, garden parties, and backyard barbecues? Look no further than BeyondHOME's Smokeless Instant Fire Pit. With its 10-second setup and high-quality materials, this fire pit is the ideal choice for both beginner and expert fire pit users alike. Here's how to get the most out of your new fire pit. Set up in 10 seconds. The fire pit comes almost entirely assembled, making it incredibly convenient to use. Simply place the removable ash pan down the unit in the correct position, which will serve both as a stand and an ashtray. Less smoke and high flame. Enjoy a warm and cozy atmosphere with less smoke and a high flame. When the wood burns, the air is pulled out of the unit through the exterior vents and pushed back into the unit through the interior holes to create a secondary burn. Designed for ultra warmth, the outer wall of the stove is hollowed out to provide more heat and less smoke at the same time, making it perfect for those chilly winter nights. High-quality materials made of high-quality rust and burn-resistant 304 stainless steel. This fire pit is durable and long-lasting, portable and easy to clean. The fire pit comes with a carrying bag and 4 built-in handles, making it easy to carry to your outdoor backyard barbecues. When it's time to clean up, just lift the fire pit off the ash pan stand and empty the loose cold ash into the garbage can. Remember, when using the fire pit, start a fire with small twigs of dry wood. Adding wood to 2/3 of the inner barrel volume is the best. Smokeless status. Avoid letting the human body directly touch the fire pit, and after use, allow it to cool naturally to avoid damage from thermal expansion and contraction. If using it indoors, keep ventilation when using it. With its low smoke design, you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of a fire pit without the usual annoyance of smoke. Plus, BeyondHOME offers free returns and delivery, making this purchase an easy decision. So why not add this smokeless instant fire pit to your outdoor gear and start enjoying the great outdoors today? You can also check it. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.